Now let me share some tips with you if you do decide to sell some products from AliExpress. Okay, now these products on here, they do have their product descriptions. So when you're selling products, whether it be on Amazon, eBay, or your own e-commerce site, you could use their product descriptions if it's good. But you want to brand yourself and you want to make yourself different from the competition. So I do recommend that you write your own product descriptions. Okay. And another tip I want to share with you is a tip I shared in another video, and that is to let customers know about delivery times. This way, you'll reduce complaints and refund requests. Okay. Now, speaking of delivery and shipping, you may want to offer free shipping. Just as a way to give customers an incentive to buy from you rather than the competition. Okay, I mean, you're already getting products here for such a low price. Why not offer free shipping? Okay, and another tip is to brand yourself. Just like I mentioned earlier, you want to brand yourself so that you get customers that'll be coming back to you and that they remember you. Okay, so you want to provide extra services and other things just to build a relationship with your customers and to have them coming back. Okay, so with that said, you want to offer other products, start selling other products that are related to or similar to the product that you're selling. Okay, and also don't compete on price, because you know what? You will never be the cheapest person out there. You will never have the cheapest product. There's always somebody that's selling something cheaper. So that's not the way to do business. You want to brand yourself and give customers a reason to buy from you.